Hello guys, how are you? So today we are in August and this will be Birchbox for the month of August 2018. So here we have the little box which contains the other box inside, and let's get into opening it. This is a $10 a month subscription box and it comes every month, and yeah, I can never open them, but no matter what I do, it's like always like kind of frustrating. Thank God I have a lot of patience. Woo! Man, that was intense. I think I broke out a sweat. So here's the actual box, really pretty, and yeah, let's get into opening it. It's very light. It says snapshots from summer, soak it in. And behind it tells you all the products with the actual full size. It doesn't tell you the sample size that we're getting. Ooh, I already see a aloe vera by organic aloe vera clearance, and I have gotten something like this before and I loved it, but this is different because it says water lip stain, so I guess it just moisturizes and says resist up to 300 kisses, so we're gonna put that to a challenge.
I'm here.
And so yeah, there was a clinical studies that said that it did 22 volunteers. This is not it, baby.
Oh. Shot down.
So let's see how it went inside. See how it does look. Whoa, nice. So it looks like this. It's a nice, decent size product for a sample. Ooh, and I got another one of these, which I also like, LOC. I did get it in this same box, so I'm not even gonna use it yet. So it's the same. I'm pretty sure it's the same. Let's see, what color is it? Champagne Problems. So since I think I did get it, I'm not gonna swatch. Then the third thing I got is Basanti Makeup Magnet Wipes. Makeup cleansing wipes using micellar water. That's really nice, and it comes 10 of them right there. Different. I haven't gotten one like this before. I did get something like this. It says Wave Spray from Y or OY Hair Care. Maybe. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. This is a 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. So it's not bad. Let's see what it smells like. It smells like perfume. Smells like perfume. And then the last thing we have is from Eau Thermale Avenue Clearance Expert. So spots, blackheads. So this is nice. It's for acne prone, and it just doesn't say what it is. I mean, I guess you just put it on your face and then the pimples go away. Apply morning and or evening to the face. Can be used alone or in the combination with local medical treatment. Product developed in minimize the risk of allergic reaction. Do not put on your eyes. So I guess this is how it looks. Very small, 5 milliliters. It's not bad. It's $10 a month, but this is more like on the higher end products. That's what I think. So I have seen better months, but I like the different things that I got. I did get repeats on brands that I have used before and repeats on actual things that I got before. So, but not bad. At least it's something that I liked and not something I didn't like and I got a repeat. So that being said, this is the end of the video and I hope you liked it. Very short, simple, to the point. If you want to know the full prices, I can also check that for you guys, but we are not using big samples. So the Basanti is $12 full size. The Y is $26 full size. The Love and Color Love of Color is $10 full size. Then we have the Avenir, which is this one for the pimples, $26 full size. And then the lip stain is $28 full size. So that's about it. Bye guys.